Hello everyone, we are back again with another example video. In this example, we are going to be looking at Chapter 5, Multi-Body Systems, in Section 5.2, Angular Momentum. We're going to actually look at example 5.6, Angular Momentum of 3 different particles. So I have written here, in Figure 1, 3 particles, A, B, and C, located at RAO 2I feet, RBO 3J feet, and RCO negative 2J feet, have masses of MA equals 2 slugs, MB equals 3 slugs, MC equals 2 slugs. And they have all of different velocities. VA has 2J feet per second, VB is 2I plus 1.4J feet per second, and VC is negative 0.2I plus 3J feet per second. So we want to find the system's total angular momentum about O. And I have this little graph drawn here to give you an idea of where the 3 particles will be located. So the first step when we solve any of these problems is we're going to want to plot out what it's going to look like. So we're going to kind of draw a picture of this, going off of this, obviously. So we have A, should label my I and J. We have point C here, and point C, if we look, was negative 2J. So we have VC, RCO, VB at point B, RBO. Sorry, this gets a little bit sloppy, but you can kind of get the idea of how we can draw this out. So now we're just going to apply the equation 5.11. Let me pull that up real quick and I can write that down for everyone to see. That is this equation to summation. It's a horrible summation, but you get the idea. Ri times Mi Vi. So we can just plug our values in now. We can solve for HO. 2I feet times 2 slug, 2.0J feet per second. And these often can get kind of lengthy. So you might want to have to allow yourself a couple lines. See, I'm going to go off here, so I'm just going to come down here and write. Plus negative 2J feet. You want to make sure you get everything in here. 2 slug. Write the feet per second down here. And if you were to calculate this out, which I already have, it's going to be negative 10.8 K slug feet per second. And so there's nothing we can really check here beyond, our calculations. Obviously, this is multiplying and adding. If we enter this in the calculator, this should be correct. And again, we are finding the total angular momentum about 0.0. I hope this video was helpful. Just a really basic example of how we can use this equation to find total angular momentum. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.